Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 30 from section 2.3 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we are given the formula F equals ma. F is the force, m is the mass, and a is the acceleration. And we need to find the acceleration of a mass of 50 kilograms if a force of 12 newtons is exerted on it. So let's write down what we know. Okay, we know the mass m is 50 kilograms. We know the force F is 12 newtons. And we know we need to find A. Okay. We start with F is equal to ma. We want this to say A equals, so we need to divide both sides by m. So A is the force divided by the mass. So acceleration A is 12 newtons divided by 50 kilograms. This gives an acceleration of 0.24 newtons per kilogram. There are other units we could use, but we'll just leave it at that. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.